today, as some of our workers, supporters and some people were celebrating the victory of 3 candidates, I was there in the midst of them, and then lots of slogans like Nasir Hussain Zindabad, Nasir Khan Zindabad, Nasir Saab Zindabad, Congress Party Zindabad and all were being raised by some of the workers. Then all of a sudden, when I was leaving to my house, then I got call from the media saying that somebody has raised slogans of Pakistan Zindabad. I would like to say here that when I was there, when I was in the midst of the people, there are lots of slogans that were being shouted there, but I never heard a slogan called Pakistan Zindabad there. But whatever it is, we already asked the police and let the police investigate it. If somebody has raised such a kind of a slogan, then he has to be dealt with sternly and strictly according to the law. There should be an inquiry, and in case if somebody has morphed the video, if somebody has doctored the video and played up mischief, even that has to be inquired. Or if somebody has given the slogan, who is he, from where did he come, and how did he enter the premises there, and what was his intention and motto of shouting the slogan should also be seen. But as far as I am concerned, when I was there was no slogan that was shouted, this kind of a slogan shouted there, because in case when we were there, if this slogan was raised, then I am sure no sane people, no Indian, no citizen of this country would have tolerated it. So let us wait for the inquiry, and whatever comes out will be there in the public domain. Thank you so much.